Welcome to Desert Pro Fitness and I am your coach Manish with certified coach Nitin. So today we are going to cover full upper body workout with a pair of single dumbbell at your place. Without getting any delay, let's get started. Now, on your knees, keep your palms outside your shoulders. Make sure your elbows are going back, not to the side, and take your chest between your palms. When you're going down, breathe in. When you're coming up, breathe out. We have to do 15 reps of this. This is for the beginners who cannot perform the full push-ups. Very good. Keep your back straight. Make sure you're doing your hip movement also. Most of the time people don't do the hip movement, they just do the upper body movement. Make sure your elbow is not going too much out, it is coming to the back side. Your neck is neutral. Going to perform for the advanced, the normal push-ups. For normal push-ups, make sure your body is parallel to the floor. Your elbows straight, soft. Your palm outside the shoulder. When you're going down, your chest should come between the palms. When you're going down, you breathe in. When you're coming up, breathe out. The exercise we are going to perform is lying dumbbell press for your chest. Come on. Sit, lie down. Make sure your knee is bent, your foot is grounded, your back is arched, not completely straight. Come on, take it down. Now bring your dumbbells to the lower of the chest, not over your face. It should come over your chest. You can go till the ground, come up, squeeze your chest. When you're going down, you should breathe in. When you're coming up, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we can add one more variation to it just by lifting your hip up. Engage your hip, engage your core and do the dumbbell press. By doing this, you will include your lower chest more. You can work on your lower chest more. So by doing this, you can add one more variation to your dumbbell press. Start with the next exercise, shoulder press for your shoulders. Use your chair at your place. Take the dumbbells. Take it up. Yes. Press. Very good. When you taking it down, breathe in. Pressing up, breathe out. Slow down. Press up. Make sure your shoulders are not in back. They should be in front. Take it slow down. Press up. Dumbbells should come below your ears, not till ears. Till ears, your triceps works. So when you're taking it down below the ears, it works on your shoulders. Very good. Make sure your neck is neutral, not stiff. Do it 15 to 20 reps for your shoulders. All three heads of your shoulders works in a single workout. Okay, good. Exercise is dumbbell front with lateral raise, both in a one. Come on, pick up the dumbbells. Yeah. Now, while you're doing front raise, make sure your elbow is not locked. It should be a little soft. Come on, bring it up, breathe out, breathe in. We are using hammer grip. Keep your dumbbell like this. This will focus on your front shoulder. Come on, breathe out, breathe in. When dumbbell is going against the gravity, you have to breathe out. When it's toward the gravity, you have to breathe in. We are going to perform 10 reps of front raise. 6, 7, 8. Don't stiff your neck, make it neutral. Breathe out, breathe in. The next we are going to perform is lateral raise. Again, while doing the lateral raise, your elbow should be soft, your neck should be neutral. It works on your side of the shoulder. Yes, all the muscles are getting included. Come on, breathe out, breathe in. Again, against the gravity, breathe out. With the gravity, breathe in. Do it 10 reps of lateral raise. It works on your shoulder. It will give your size, widen up of your shoulders. Come on, do it. 5, 4, for widening your shoulder, do this exercise. Best exercise to give your wideness to your shoulder. Very good. Next exercise we are going to perform is dumbbell bent over rowing for your back. Come on. Most of the mistakes are made while doing bent over rowing. So make sure you are doing in a correct form. Bend your knees. Your back is straight, not too much arched, not rounded. Your neck is neutral. Come on, pull it up. Now when you're pulling your dumbbell should come towards your hip joint. Your elbow should not go out. If it's going out, it will work on your shoulder, not the back. Now squeeze your back. These two scapular blades should come together. Squeeze this muscle, squeeze this muscle. Now bringing your dumbbells up, you should breathe out. When you're taking it down, breathe in. Take it slow down, squeeze your back. Keep your back straight, neck neutral. Very good. Next we are going to perform is tumble bicep curl for your biceps. Come on. Yes. Make the grip is supine. Your palm is facing upward. Make sure your elbow is to the side of the body or in the front of the body, not back of the body. Now when you're taking your dumbbell up, breathe out. Squeeze it, focus on your biceps. Now focus on the pinky finger. When you're taking your dumbbell up, bring your pinky finger inwards. So it will hit your biceps. So when it's going against the gravity, you have to breathe out. When it's towards the gravity, you have to breathe in. Do it 15 to 20 reps and you will love it. We have covered chest, shoulders, back, biceps. Now triceps. For the triceps, we are going to perform single hand overhead tricep extension. Take a chair, sit, don't do it standing. You will make your back rounded or hyperextended, which will cause injury. Okay, now take the dumbbell, bring it down. Make sure your arm is close to the ear, not away from the ear. Make sure it should be clear. Take it down. When you're coming up, extend it, completely extend it. Try to lock your elbows. Then your tricep will work. Bring it down, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep your hands here. This will make sure your spine is straight. Very good. Do it 15 to 20 reps each hand. See, 65% of your arms is made up of triceps. Rest 35 is biceps. So if your triceps is bigger, your arms will look bigger. Very good. The last exercise is dumbbell shrugs for your traps. Come on, take it. Yeah. Now after taking the dumbbell, your back should be straight, your knee should be soft, and dumbbell should be neutral. Not to the side of the body, not in front of the body. This is a neutral grip, okay? Your neck should be down towards the ground. Now lift your shoulder up. Make sure you're not bending your elbows while lifting the dumbbell. Very good. Lift with your shoulders. Make your traps work. Don't bend your elbows. Major mistakes done. Bending the elbows. Avoid it. Your neck should be neutral. Don't keep your neck straight. When your neck is straight, you are engaging your neck muscles. Then the movement, the motion will be reduced. So make sure your neck is bent, looking downwards to the ground. For more informative fitness videos like this, subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.